Hello, everyone, and welcome to Shadowing English Learners. I'm Sarah. If you're watching this, maybe you've got a new job starting soon, or maybe you freeze up when meeting new colleagues. Whatever brought you here. Today, I'm going to help you introduce yourself confidently in professional settings using real English. We're not doing grammar lessons or memorizing vocabulary. We're going to practice speaking together using a technique called shadowing. It's simple. I'll say a phrase. You repeat it immediately after me, matching my rhythm. We'll do each phrase 3 times. First time, you're hearing it. Second time, you're getting comfortable. Third time, it becomes automatic. Here's what I need from you. First, find a space where you can speak at normal volume. Second, don't judge yourself if it feels awkward at first. That's how learning works. And third, complete all 30 phrases with me. One more thing about your accent. In international offices across London, Toronto, Sydney, and New York, your accent shows you're multilingual. That's an asset. What matters is clarity and confidence. Let's start practicing. Part 1. Opening conversations. These first 8 phrases are your foundation. This is how you start any workplace introduction. Listen carefully to the rhythm and stress patterns. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice meeting you. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice meeting you. I just joined the company this month. I just joined the company this month. I'm working with the design team now. I'm working with the design team now. Good. Notice how natural these sound. Keep that momentum. I've been here about 2 weeks. I've been here about 2 weeks. I'm still getting to know everyone. I'm still getting to know everyone. What role are you in? What role are you in? I've heard good things about your department. I've heard good things about your department. This seems like a really collaborative environment. This seems like a really collaborative environment. Strong start. Those 8 phrases give you everything you need to begin a conversation. Let's add more depth. Part 2. Sharing your background and building connection. These next 12 phrases help you answer the questions people naturally ask. Where did you work before? What's your experience? What will you be doing here? This is where you build credibility and connection. I moved here from Seattle 3 months ago. I moved here from Seattle 3 months ago. My background is in operations and logistics. My background is in operations and logistics. Before this, I spent 4 years in the retail industry. Before this, I spent 4 years in the retail industry. You're building real conversational ability. Keep going. I'll be working on the product launch with the marketing group. I'll be working on the product launch with the marketing group. I studied economics, but I've always enjoyed creative problem solving. I studied economics, but I've always enjoyed creative problem solving. I'm hoping to learn a lot from experienced people here. I'm hoping to learn a lot from experienced people here. Notice the natural flow of these phrases. This is how real professionals speak. Someone mentioned you're the go-to person for technical questions. Someone mentioned you're the go-to person for technical questions. I'm trying to understand all the different platforms we use. I'm trying to understand all the different platforms we use. Maybe we could grab coffee sometime, and you could tell me about your work. Maybe we could grab coffee sometime, and you could tell me about your work. I'm always happy to help if you need an extra pair of hands. I'm always happy to help if you need an extra pair of hands. Excellent. You're halfway through. Feel the difference in your confidence? The office culture seems really positive and supportive. The office culture seems really positive and supportive. I'm impressed by how organized everything is here. I'm impressed by how organized everything is here. Solid work. Those 12 phrases let you share your story naturally. Final section. Now. Part 3. Professional confidence and follow through. These last 10 phrases. They demonstrate enthusiasm, reliability, and the kind of attitude that makes people want to work with you. I believe strong relationships are the foundation of good teamwork. I believe strong relationships are the foundation of good teamwork. I'm someone who values clear communication and meeting commitments. I'm someone who values clear communication and meeting commitments. I learn quickly, and I'm comfortable asking for help when I need it. I learn quickly, and I'm comfortable asking for help when I need it. I appreciate workplaces where people lift each other up. I appreciate workplaces where people lift each other up. I'm adaptable, and I actually enjoy new challenges. I'm adaptable, and I actually enjoy new challenges. I chose this organization because the mission resonates with me. I chose this organization because the mission resonates with me. I bring fresh perspectives from my work in the healthcare field. I bring fresh perspectives from my work in the healthcare field. I'm genuinely excited to contribute to the team's goals. I'm genuinely excited to contribute to the team's goals. Thanks again for taking time to connect with me today. Thanks again for taking time to connect with me today. I look forward to working together. I look forward to working together. Done. 30 phrases. You did it. Now, let's talk about what just happened. You didn't just repeat words. You practiced real workplace English. You trained your speaking muscles. You built patterns that your brain can now access automatically. Here's the reality. The difference between someone who improves quickly and someone who stays stuck isn't talent. It's practice. This kind of focused, repeated, out loud practice. Here's my recommendation. Tomorrow, take 5 minutes and run through these phrases again. Don't watch the whole video. If you're short on time, just practice 10 phrases. The next day, a different 10. Build the habit of daily practice, even if it's brief. Second, write out your own real introduction, using the patterns you learned today. Your actual name, your actual role, your actual background. Practice that specific introduction until it feels effortless, because next time you walk into an office, meet a colleague, or join a video call, that's what you'll use. Third, look for one opportunity this week to introduce yourself to someone new. It could be a colleague you haven't spoken to yet. It could be someone in a different department. Use these phrases. They work. And here's what I want you to understand about language learning. You're not trying to eliminate your accent. You're not trying to sound like you grew up in California or London. You're trying to communicate effectively, confidently, and professionally. That's completely achievable, and you're already on that path. If this practice session helped you, if you feel more prepared for workplace introductions than you did 30 minutes ago, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribe to Shadowing English Learners, because we're creating practical content for real workplace situations. Next time, we'll tackle another essential professional skill. I'm thinking about how to participate confidently in meetings. You won't want to miss it. Until then, remember this. Language ability isn't fixed. It's not something you either have or don't have. It's something you build through practice. You just did the work. Now build on it. Thanks for practicing with me today. See you in the next video.